Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Joshy Bo. Don't forget your hoe. I'm ready to give it another video. Man, we back, man. You know what I'm saying? You see what I got behind us, man. And y'all see the title of the video, man. We got that new Trackhawk, man, added to the fleet, bruh. This motherfucker is crazy, gang. Just look at it, bruh. It's just, it just looks so good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I got it about a month ago, man. And I haven't done anything but the hood to it ever since. But this Trackhawk looks crazy. I'm gonna show y'all the specs and shit right now. It did come with these rims too. I believe they're 22-inch rims. We do have the yellow Brembo brakes, which are tough. The black Trackhawk badge, you know what I'm saying? You see it says supercharged, you know what I'm saying? And it did come with the taillights tinted out. I don't know if this is a stock diffuser, new diffuser. I don't really know. Exhaust tips, those look pretty stock. You can see the Trackhawk logo. But yeah, man, it does look tough. This is a clean, cool spec. It did come with a white regular hood. I don't know if y'all know what the regular hood looked like. It came with a white regular hood though, but let me. So as we go inside, man, we open the door. If it's a little dirty, don't mind it, bro. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Gotta have a pink lemonade on it, you know what I'm saying? But this is how the interior looks. We do go black on the interior, man. The black seats are cool. Mind you, this car, bro, is amazing, bro. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive, just a little one, then we can do another POV drive for another YouTube video. But we do also have the red seatbelts, man. I ain't gonna lie, like, there's so much stuff. I don't know if it's just an SUV thing, but there's so much stuff that a Trackhawk has. It's just the Charger, just the Hellcat just don't have. So let's go ahead and sit in the vehicle now. So sitting in the vehicle, you see it says Trackhawk Jeep, you know what I'm saying? Carbon fiber all around the dash, you know what I'm saying? Dude got it right here as well, even over there as well. I don't know if y'all can see it very clearly. Let me go ahead and put the sunroof back a little bit. We got the moon roof. It's not even no sunroof, cuz. It's a moon roof, man. Why just stop right there, bro? Keep going back, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? The moon roof goes stupid. That shit's so tough. Mind you, that this is I believe this is what is this called? What is this called? What am I looking for? What's the word that I'm looking for, bro? It's a word that I'm looking for. Nah, is it Alcantara? I think it's Alcantara. Or suede. Alcantara suede. This is Alcantara suede sunroof, man. Alcantara suede on the sunroof, bro. It's not regular, bro. I don't know if every Trackhawk comes like that. Y'all gotta let me know. But it's Alcantara suede, bro. See, it says Trackhawk right there. Red seatbelts, like I already mentioned before. It does have the Harman Kardon sound system as well, bro. And it's just like hella space. You see it has the launch mode, track mode, sport mode, custom, you feel me, all that. You know what I'm saying? Got the gum and shit. It does have two chargers right there. But let's go hop into the back seat real quick. So we're gonna hop into the back seat right now, and right now it looks like the seats are hella up. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it looks like there's no room, no nothing right here. Mind you, the seat is pretty far back, but still, it looks like it's no room. But I didn't know this until like maybe a week later. I think my dad had found out or something like that. He messed with it, and there's a little lever. Where's it at? It's a little lever where you can pull the seats. Like, wait, where's it at? Like, isn't there a lever? Hold on, bro. Wait, where's the lever at? Am I tripping? I think there's, oh, it's a little lever. It's right here. It's right here. You pull the little lever up and the seat reclines back, bro. Look at the difference between the seat recliner. When I sat in these seats, I was like, damn, these seats sit up hella like close up. Like, it's hella straight up. Like, if you compare the seats to like this to right there, it sits hella far up, but like you see it right there, bro. It's literally like, you know what I'm saying? You just pull a lever back and it's literally good, bro, literally. But the back seat is pretty spacious. I'm about 6 foot. This front seat is a little far back, you feel me? I'm 6 foot. I got a little bit of leg room like this, you feel me? Like, this is good, like, you feel me? But like I said, the seat is hella far back. I do sit hella far back in my seat, I ain't gonna lie. I'm saying all natural Laguna leather, you know what I'm saying? Just talking about real deal. But this is how it looks to POV from the back seat, bro. Like, it's so tough. Mind you, I'm gonna show you the trunk in a minute. One more thing I forgot to mention, bro. This has, I don't know if, like I said, I don't know too much about Jeeps. I don't know too much about SUVs. I don't know if every SUV just got this, but the sound system is literally everywhere. It got one here, right there. You see right there. It's all around the place. It's right over there. Right here, back there too. Like, it's one right here, another one right there. Like, it's all around, bro. Like, the sound system is even on the doors right there, bro. I don't know if it has that in all Jeeps, but or just like SUVs in general, you feel me, like that. But bro, this is crazy, bro. Mind you, I forgot to tell y'all, heated seats too right here as well. And it actually has an actual plug-in, bro, where you can plug in stuff to that, which is crazy, bro. 2 USBs and a plug-in, you can't beat that. I'm not gonna lie, you can't beat that, bro.
2 seconds later.
So this is the trunk now. So this is how you open the trunk. You literally grab right here and just tap this right there. Once you tap that right there, the trunk opens just like that. And once the trunk opens just like that, this is what it looks like, man. And this is what the seats reclined to, by the way. If the seats were reclined, the seats will be a little bit forward. And it does come with this as well. I don't know specifically what this is called, but it's just to prevent anybody from like seeing inside your trunk and everything, so people can't see what's visible inside your trunk. So that comes in clutch, but it is a good amount of trunk space, bro. Like, let's not sit here and lie. Like, let's actually look at it, bro. Bro, this is a good amount of trunk space, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, be honest, like, this is a good amount of space right here, bro. This is a crazy amount of space. I got some dirty towels, don't mind the dirty towels. This is a good amount of space, bro. And if you guys wanted to close the trunk, all you guys gotta do is just push this button right here. Boom, watch for your head. You know what I'm saying? And this is how the trunk closes, just like that, bro. Which is crazy, bro. I'll show you guys the engine real quick too. But that's mostly the car. If you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. Mind you, you have to open the gas cap manually. You have to push that button right there to open it up. And you feel me, the hood's right there, of course. Boom. And once you go right into here, of course the latch is right in the middle. Once you lift the latch up, I don't have the thing to hold the hood up, but you guys can see the motor because this is a new aftermarket hood, and I just need to put that stick right there, and I'm being lazy. I haven't done it yet, but yeah, it came with an oil catch can as well. And y'all see the, y'all see the motor, bros. Shit, it's a trackie, bro. Just saying, you see the Hellcat motor, bro. I will be putting an intake on it soon and everything like that, so we'll get that started up. But yeah, this is the motor. It looks cool. It looks clean. Everything looks good with it, bro. So I'm gonna let this down. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all, this is not a cold start, of course, but y'all can just hear the exhaust, bro. Bro, this is how it came. I have not done anything to this car except for the hood, like I said. So this is the only thing I've done. Listen to how this car sounds. I forgot to tell y'all, it do got memory profiles and everything right here, which is so tough. It does come in clutch sometimes. So yeah, this is the little POV drive. Listen how loud it sounds. Mind you, I haven't done nothing to this car. Hold on, hold on. Do y'all hear that popping? Oh my God. I haven't done nothing to this car, by the way. Nothing at all. I haven't done nothing. Can y'all hear that? I hope y'all can hear the pops. The launches are crazy on this car. I'll give y'all one launch real quick, bro. One launch, you know what I'm saying? And this will basically like end it off just for now. You know what I'm saying? You just push the launch button. It's in track as well. Basically, it's gonna tell you to enable the most pressure you can to the brake. Once you do that, you know what I'm saying? You put it, and then you step on the gas pedal as hard as you can. It'll go like this, and you let go. Oh my God. Oh my God. It'll basically go like that, bro. That's a launch, bro. Like, the launch feels crazy, bro. No troll. Like, launch feels crazy, bro. That's just, but yeah, man, that's damn near gonna end the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and there's more to come with this, bro. It's gonna be it for today's video, bro. Look at him looking. They fuck with that shit, hey, they fuck with it. Y'all, they hear it been popping and everything. Yeah, but let's go into today's video, man. Y'all have a smooth day, man. Be tuned for the next one.